Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about making perfume with essential oils. Using essential oils for scent was one of the first things that I was interested in. I knew that synthetic fragrance and perfumes were bad, but I didn't know exactly how to replace essential oils or replace them with oils. I think it's really important to check the products that you're using. Check them on there's various websites now. I'll put them down below that you can just put in a product or put in an ingredient and see if it's safe or not. Making perfume from essential oils is fun. You can get creative. It's like an adaptive learning process. You learn what you like, what works well with your body, and you're also getting the benefits of essential oils while you're at it. So it's like a twofold thing. I always say that when you're replacing something bad with essential oils, you're getting multiple benefits. So anyways, there are some different guidelines and tips to go by, I guess, but it really is just kind of a trial and error type of thing. First tip is to choose a carrier oil that you are going to be comfortable with and like. I mainly just use coconut oil, but there's rosehip oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, tons of different carriers. I think I might have a whole blog post on that. I'll put that down below. If you want me to do a video on carrier oils and like the different benefits of them, let me know and I can film that as well. But just pick one. I like fractionated coconut oil because it's inexpensive and it works pretty much for everything that you want to do with essential oils, minus skincare. I don't really love it for like facial serums and things, but for most other things, coconut is good. Then you're going to pick your essential oils. So have in mind like a blend or a specific scent that you might want to copy or mimic. Like if you have a favorite perfume that you currently use, try to look up, investigate the ingredients in that and try to duplicate that. Get all of the different notes that they use and duplicate them with essential oils. I like to do is when I'm creating just a blend from scratch, I want like a new scent, I pick an earthy, a citrus, and a floral. If you're not sure that you're going to like the specific blend, you can hold all of the bottles together like this, take the lids off, and kind of smell them like that before you mix them all together just to make sure you're going to like the blend. This is a really good way to see if the scents are going to work well together or not. The next tip in this blog post is if you want to get fancy, you can do the, 30, 50, 20 blend. So 30% top note, 50 middle note, and 20% base notes. And then I have some popular notes for each one listed in the blog post. Some popular top notes are basil, bergamot, lime, grapefruit. Middle notes, black pepper, cardamom, chamomile, geranium, and then popular base notes, cedarwood, cypress, ginger, and those types of oils. And there are more listed in the blog post. I don't want to go over all of them, but I'm going to make a perfume here so you can see how easy it is. So I'll make a blend quick so you can see how easy it is. Make sure you label it so that you remember what you put in the blend. There are 10 different recipes in this blog post for perfumes, but let me know. They're all pretty girly and feminine, so let me know if you want me to do a cologne one as well, and I can definitely do that. Northern Lights Black Spruce, Idaho Blue Spruce are both the two main oils that we like to use when I'm doing DIYs for Chris, but let me know about that. So I'm just gonna make a label quick, and this is one of the recipes, is one of the recipes that are in the blog post. It's the flirty one. It has clary sage. I really love clary sage in perfume, and it has ylang ylang, which is also my other faves. Here are the 4 oils that I'm going to put in this blend. Lavender, orange. It calls for what is the citrus oil? Bergamot, but I don't have that one, so I'm going to use blood orange, which I thought was different. Ylang ylang and clary sage. So I will start with clary sage. That's the one that's listed first. And in a 10 ml roller like this is, by the way, this is just a standard roller. There are tons of beautiful roller bottles. So if you want to make a perfume in a pretty bottle, there are lots listed on my Amazon, which I will also put in the blog post. In a roller this size, you want to do no more than like 20 drops of essential oil, but I try to stick around 10 to 15. So I'll start with clary sage, and I'm going to do like 6 or 7 of clary sage. And this is the Simply Earth one. It smells so good. It's just so light and feminine and floral. The aroma that it says on here is herbaceous and floral, which is pretty much dead on. It's just so light. Like you could wear clary sage on its own for perfume. It smells really good. I don't remember the order of the rest, so I'm just going to go ylang ylang because that's my favorite. This one is very sweet and floral, and we'll do almost the same. I don't know, maybe 6 drops of ylang ylang. This one is a little bit more what is the word? A little bit sharper. I don't know. That's just the first word that comes to my mind, instead of light. So it's going to go well, I think, together. Blood orange I'll do next. Blood orange is a little bit different than regular orange. It actually is a little bit similar to bergamot, which is what that original recipe called for. It's a little more limey and earthy than like the regular like bright orange that you're used to. So we'll just do a few drops of orange. This one's Rocky Mountain, if you're curious, and it's from the blood orange peel. And then lastly, lavender. We all know what lavender smells like. You either love it or hate it. It's like the queen of essential oils. I have a whole video on lavender. So now that we have the essential oils in the bottom, I'm just going to give it like a little swirl. And then this is the coconut oil that I just had on hand, but I've used multiple brands. This one is just by Plant Therapy. It's also linked on my Amazon store. So you just put the lid on and pump it up until you're full. And you can kind of see it all swirling around in there. I don't know if you can, but I can. Put this roller lid on, hold tight, and just pop it on. And then your other lid will go on. You can kind of just give it a shake, a roll, a twirl, whatever you want to do, and you just roll it on. You're using essential oils topically. There's usually a specific place that you need to put them for the oils to work. For perfume, it's just your pulse points. Wherever you're going to put your other perfume, you can put it wherever you want. Wrist, in your corner of your elbow, neck, anywhere you put your perfume. And this smells so good. It has like the citrus, but it's also just very floral and dainty. Oh, it smells really, really good. Okay, but that is how easy it is. Like I said, there are tons of different beautiful bottles. I definitely recommend a roller. I've tried to do this in a sprayer and it just doesn't work the same. There is a different method of using or making essential oils using alcohol or vodka. That is just something I never really got into. This is way easier to me and works exactly the same. Let me know if you have any questions or comments on anything that I used or brands that we use. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you want me to film next. Have a good day. Bye.